Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn about something really exciting called personification. But first, let's break down what that word means. Ready? Let's go! Personification is a cool way we can make things come alive in our writing. It means giving human qualities, like feelings and actions, to things that aren't human, like animals, objects, or even ideas. For example, when we say the sun smiled down on us, or the wind whispered through the trees, we're using personification. The sun isn't actually smiling, and the wind doesn't really whisper, but it helps us imagine them in a fun way. Now, let's hear a story to understand personification even better. This story is called The Lonely Moon. Once upon a time, in a sky full of stars, there was a lonely moon. Every night, the moon would wake up and stretch its shiny arms. But unlike the stars, the moon didn't twinkle. It just glowed. One night, the moon felt especially lonely and sighed.
I wish I could have a friend.
The trees below heard the moon and rustled their leaves.
We can be your friends.
They whispered. The moon beamed brightly, feeling a little less lonely. But the moon's biggest wish was for a star friend. The stars were always busy twinkling and chatting with each other. One night, a shooting star crossed the sky, and the moon asked,
Will you be my friend?
The shooting star smiled and said,
Of course, Moon. Let's light up the sky together.
From then on, the moon was never lonely again. It had the trees to whisper with and shooting stars to glide with. Did you notice how the moon wished and sighed? The stars twinkled and chatted, and the trees whispered? These are all examples of personification. We gave the moon, stars, and trees human-like actions and feelings to make the story more magical and fun. Now it's your turn. Try to think of a sentence using personification. Maybe write about a flower dancing in the wind or a car that's feeling sleepy. Share your sentences in the comments below. Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun videos. See you next time, friends. Bye!